Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite settings not saved. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to the search bar and then type run and then open it. Now here, what you want to do next is to simply type person symbol, local app data person symbol, and then after that, click OK. Okay, so you have to follow this one. And then here, what you want to do is to simply locate Fortnite client folder, tap this one. And then after that, you have to click the next folder, which is saved, and then go to config. Now you have to click this window client here or Windows client here. After you tap this, then you have to click this and then right click. Now locate or look for properties. And then this time you have to make sure that the read only is untick or unchecked. Okay, once done, click apply and then click OK. Now open your Epic Launcher and locate your Fortnite. Tap this three dots here and then go to manage and then verify your files. So after you have verified your files, then once you open your game, you will see that this issue is already fixed. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.